Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, the newest member of the Blink is here. Yes, me. That's me. We're here with BLACKPINK. Yes, BLACKPINK, Typa Girl, live at Coachella 2023. It's a live performance. This one has been requested by you guys. That's what I'm saying. You guys need to tell me what to react to. So you guys are pointing me in the right direction, and I like it. Also, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been dropping subs, guys. I'm seeing it. I'm noticing it. I'm replying to comments. I'm engaging with you guys because I appreciate the love and the support that you guys give to me. So thank you. Let's try and get to 100K by the end of this year. By December, we need 100K sub on this channel. Can we do that? Oh, yeah! Now I'm a certified Blink. Let's jump in this one and see what BLACKPINK is saying at Coachella 2023. Let's go! Very dramatic. I like it. Wow. What an entrance. What an entrance. What an entrance. Come on, let's go. I'm ready for this.
Type of girl that'll make you wanna dream. Type of girl. Type of girl that comes straight up off the screen.
Woo!
Straight up. Type of girl you wanna ice and make me freeze.
She bad.
Type of girl you
She bad.
wanna like outside the plane.
Type of girl you wanna ice and make me
I'll bring you to the table, not your dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure.
That sound good live.
Talking about me like there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you a winner. Didn't know that you were cold till you felt my fire. Heaven's cages soaking up, fearing quiet.
Can I just say how brilliant they sound live? Oh my God.
You say something else, you lie. 'Cause I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Got you thinking maybe I was supernatural. Put you under spells, into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all.
Woo!
I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got a type. Type that make you love me when the only thing you got is like. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. Like da da da, da 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 da. Like da da da, da 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 da. I'm the type of girl that everybody tap, like everybody like. You can check my stats, got everybody's like. And in random love song, everybody's like. All of these girls are some motherfucking shit, that mean they all cap. Being the best I will ever do, that's only no brand. Type of girl that you wish for when you blow that candle out. Type of girl that you wanna take back to your mama house. Type of girl that don't ask for what she wants, she's taking out. Type of girl who got bags and same quality of Chanel.
Woo!
I know that you are cold 'cause you feel my
Yo, these girls sound so fantastic live. And as we all know, not all these artists that's going in the booth and recording is sounding as sounding the same as when they're live. It's very rarely you find artists doing this. And proof, BLACKPINK. I have a question though. So I read a comment that said Lisa is now focusing on her solo career and she's parting ways with BLACKPINK. Is that true? Is that true? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, please, guys. I like that. Sorry. Dum, 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 dum. Listen, listen. Ready. Jump.
Type of girl. Type of girl. Straight up off the screen.
Ah!
Type of girl you wanna ice and make me freeze. Type of girl you wanna wipe upside the breeze.
Type of girl you wanna ice and make me
I bring you to the table, not your dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Can buy me, but there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you a winner.
A winner! I wanna be in that circle. I wanna be in that circle. I wanna be a winner. Shit! Drop a sub for me. Help me become a winner. I'm now a certified blink. Drop a sub for me. I wanna become a winner too. Shit.
I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Got you thinking maybe I was
So dramatic, bro.
Put you under spells, oh, into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got a type that make you love me when the only thing you got is like. I'm the type of girl. 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 Like da 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 da. Like da 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 da. I'm the type of girl that everybody tap like everybody like. You can check my stats, got everybody's like, and a random love song. Everybody's like, all of these girls are some motherfucking shit. That mean they all
He's bad, man. He's just too bad.
That's only non brand. Type of girl that you wish for when you blow that candle out. Type of girl that you wanna take back to your mama house. Type of girl that don't ask for what she wants, she's taking out. Type of girl who got bags and same quality and Chanel. Now you know that you are cold 'cause you feel my fire. Let's get you something up here in color. If you say something else, you a liar. 'Cause I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you killing me alone. But you thinking maybe I was supernatural. Put you under spells, look into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got it tight. Type that make you love me when the only thing you done is like. I'm the type of girl. 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 Like da 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 da. Like da 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 da.
Woo! Coachella 2023 performance. Ah, gosh. I find it hard to keep pausing the video and keep speaking over what these girls are doing. I just can't. I'm so captivated. Like, it just captures your attention, just drags you in and keeps you there. That's how amazing that these girls are. Ah. Let me just start by saying shout out to the stage team, the team that's behind the production of what goes on stage. You guys did an amazing job here. Shout out to the choreography team, the dancing team, the team that put this together. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the costumes. Shout out to you guys. Like, I know a lot of work goes into these performances, and we as the viewers and the listeners just see them and just hear them and just don't think behind the scene. So shout out to you guys. You guys are important. You guys are the ones that help these megastars bring the shows to us in a full package. So shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to you guys. Honestly, I love to give people their flowers, man. BLACKPINK, like I said, I'm now a blink. I'm a certified blink now. I don't give a shit what no one says. I'm a blink. Yes, I am a blink, and I said that with my chest. Make sure, guys, you please drop a sub for me. Drop a sub on the channel. Also, guys, I wanted to ask this question. I asked it during the reaction, but I wanted to ask it now when I'm quiet. Is it a true statement that Lisa is now focusing on her solo career and not with Blackpink anymore? Is that a thing? Please let me know what's happening as the group come to an end. What's happening? What's happening? Tell me. Like, comment section, I'm here. Like I said, I read all the long comments, all the short comments. I read every comment. So please let me know what's happening in the comment section. I'll be down there waiting for you guys. Please remember to drop a sub on the video as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.